One of our flagship programs is the Florida Earth UNESCO IHE program and partnership, which emanates out of Delft, Holland. The UN owns a university in Delft in which they award master's and PhD degrees to students from developing countries in all kinds of water science. And so we bring those students over to the United States for a 2-week course that we have developed for them. And a very integral part of that course is the Kissimmee River, because the Kissimmee River has been modeled greatly by South Florida Water Management District, the Army Corps, all the agencies that take a look at what needs to happen with the Kissimmee River. And so we expose these students to that type of hydroinformatics, as they call it, which is simply just modeling of water systems.
The Kissimmee River was a very unique river in Florida and in North America. It was something that was lost due to channelization. It was a river that was very wild, very scenic, very beautiful, highly used by wading birds. And now, as we restore this habitat, it's very unique. It's something that was lost that is being given back.
It's a good example of how indeed we should work with nature and not against it. Because here we see the excellent case studies, how various tools, various approaches, which are top of the notch, can be used to improve ecological state and environmental services of various systems that are in Florida.
So right now we have 12 students. 4 of them are from Ethiopia, 2 from Egypt, 2 from Colombia, 2 from China, 1 from Vietnam, and 1 from Mongolia. We come here to see that how models are being used in decision making, preserving the nature, bringing back ecology, or in flood management or hydropower, like that. Before coming here, they were having lectures from some people from Florida. They are giving lectures on the wider perspective of Everglades Restoration Project, and part of that is also on Kissimmee River Restoration Project.
It's incredible to see how quick has an ecosystem restored, because normally these projects involve a lot of money. So if you can show results in a very quick, in a very small amount of time, it shows that they are really valuable. One important thing is that you should try to work with nature, not against her, and that is something that we water engineers know.
The recovery time for some of the different biotic components, or the different vegetation or animals or whatever, have been remarkable. We completed construction in 2001. By the end of 2002, you already have revegetation of the floodplain occurring. You already have wintering waterfowl and wading birds that were flying over for years and years and not stopping, already stopping. You have 4 to 5 years later, the bass and sunfish population, which had decreased dramatically, rebounded. Just how quickly this system responded has been tremendous and has exceeded our expectations.
This particular project is held up as the standard of what restoration can be. This is, a system-wide, an ecosystem-wide restoration, and it is a purest example of what we are capable of doing when we put our minds to environmental restoration in the United States.